All right, last story today, Will. This one, I don't know, you might appreciate it. I feel bad about it. It's a terrible situation. However, this is so weird how certain video clips have a strange kind of unexpected satisfaction to them. And this is one of those video clips. In this clip, you will watch a train full of cars slowly smash against a bridge, but only the top portion of the train. And so what it does is it effectively cleanly peels off the lid of this train, but slowly.
Yeah, and this is maybe just sheet metal.
You look at it crumpling. Look at the way it crumples and piles, and it's mesmerizing.
I'm gonna.
Yeah, you can't take your eyes off of it. Now, I know you're watching this, Will, thinking to yourself, why don't they just stop the train? And believe it or not, this is how long it takes to stop a train.
Oh, yeah.
Trains don't want to stop.
It's the slow part that...
It's so slow.
Jesus Christ.
And then at the end of the video clip, you see some of the damage inside of the train itself, which was carrying cars, unfortunately, and the cars themselves are just wrecked.
Oh, that one looked like it got smashed.
Look at that one. That one got tied up. Look at them. The cars just got squashed. Because the way, I think at first as the roof was crumbling, it was kind of crumbling inwards and scraping across the top of these cars, which are packed right to the top of this train. So obviously it's an unfortunate incident, but it makes for this very bizarre clip, which is difficult to take your eyes off of. You never know what you'll find on the internet on any given day. Shout out Jalopnik, couple cool articles. There you have it. Many things happened with Apple today. Many things will happen with Sony tomorrow, so keep it locked. I think it'll probably stream on the Unbox Therapy channel, but we will do the companion stream. Me and Willie Do will be back here with you tomorrow for PlayStation 5. Tomorrow? I gotta put this on.